this is Darlene, Avery Lane Shop Girl, and I'm out shopping around. And I'm at my very, very favorite lighting store, which just happens to be probably a quarter of a mile from Avery Lane, and it's called Hickley's Lighting. Not only do they have an amazing showroom with more lights than you can even imagine, but they are a custom lighting manufacturer. So if you see something in a magazine or in a hotel when you're traveling, take a picture and they can custom make it for you. It's wonderful to know that there are manufacturing companies here in Arizona and they are the best of the best. So I cannot encourage you enough to check out Hickley's Lighting and all the beautiful things they have here.